Welcome back, guys, to another Flutterscape video. Today, we're going to be playing some Flutterscape. Let's get right into it. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Don't miss any videos. And I'm going to be adding more stuff to the channel, like Fortnite, Need for Speed, Hello Neighbor. Yeah, you guys comment down below if you want one of those. Just comment down Hello Neighbor, Fortnite, Need for Speed, even Sims 4. I'll play that. Let's get right into it. Okay, let's go spectate some people. I think she's gonna die. I called it. Run like the wind, weirdo. Oh my god. Oh my god, she actually made it. She's so lucky. This is the one I almost survived last time we were playing this. I almost survived. That lady should have at least tried to get the button, because that gives you more XP. When you get XP, you get 5 gems. When you get 5 gems, you can buy a month. How much money do we actually have? Alright, I'm just gonna go buy one right now. Can I buy this one? Nope, where are we going? We've all lost it. Crap. Going up to the very, very top. Oh, my tank's running out, and I appreciate it if it actually didn't run out. Please. Stop bullying me. I'm joking. Where is Spectre? Someone has to get the button, please. Oh, you're joking. Someone get the button. Dude, we're all gonna die! Oh, I should have got the button. Get in so we can miss out on something really bad, and I hate cave system, but I want to get this button because it feels real to me. Joking. I just want to get some XP, and then I can, save up for them good emotes. Them good stuff. Don't play with me. I'm such a good beatboxer, right? Oh, you could have made... No, you can make that. I swear you can make that. She got up! Oh my god. No, why is my jump working? Spacebar! No, I do not. Yeah, by the way, guys, I do not accept friend requests, or I do not donate either. I feel like we're all gonna die. That's it, I'm going down. Yeah, but I'm gonna probably die straight away. Yeah. They're all gonna die. He doesn't even know what's happening. What a weirdo. All that's gonna happen is it's just gonna rise up with acid. See, he's in acid. What? The map is glitching. Yeah, I'm gonna make a lot of videos tonight because that one still got 40 minutes to go though, so pretty quick. Wait, I wasn't in the box. How much do we need to... Oh, can we buy that? We're only at 43. We can't even buy, like, that. Wait, we should save up. For this one. Dude, I want the T-pose so much. Oh, by the way, this is the Donald Trump theme song. We're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a big, 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 big wall. I want to buy this stove. So funny. Oh, we're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a big, beautiful wall. We need to build a wall. We need to build a wall. We're gonna build a big, beautiful wall. Dude, there's so many skips in that one. Like jumping up, Okay, I'll jump up a ladder for you if we get a good one. We're going into hard. No, I hate this one. I've played it too many times. See, this one sucks. Yeah, I said it. Move along. We're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a big, beautiful wall. You can just see people falling. It's so funny. It'd be even worse if I just fell. We're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a great, big, big, big wall. First people have to press the button so we can get up the ladder. We're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a big, 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 big wall. Did you see that woman just jump there? No! I made too much fun of people. That was my sister. This is gonna have to be our last one, guys. Like, I would probably be like recording 10 or 5 or something like that. We're gonna build a wall. I am a master at this map. We're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a wall. Yeah, one of my friends just got that in my head. We're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a wall. Yes, people have done the skip. Yep, they're doing the skip right now. I do not accept friend requests or donates. We're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a big, beautiful wall. We're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a big, beautiful wall. We're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a beautiful wall. We're gonna build a wall. We're gonna build a wall. A big, beautiful wall. Okay, guys. Hope you liked this video. Today, I'm afraid we're gonna have to finish up. So make sure to click that subscribe button and notification bell to not miss any video. We're going into the raft. Anyway.